We've had some good news and some bad news in the last few days about the next stimulus package and the second stimulus check. Let's go quickly over everything, shall we? Hello everyone and welcome back to the Finance Kit. As always, my name is Dion and this is your stimulus package and second stimulus check update for today. As some of you know, I had an eye procedure on my right eye last week and for a few days I was not able to see much at all, but I'm back. Even though it still hurts a little bit, I want to make sure that you, my community, is up to date with what is happening around the next stimulus check. Thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, please consider subscribing for daily stimulus updates and other personal finance tips in the future. And let's get straight to the details. Today I have some good news for you and some bad news about the stimulus check second round. I will start with the good news, of course, because who wants to hear the bad news first, right? One of the positive statements we got recently was about a new proposal from a group of 41 Democrats. They are calling on the Senate to provide additional $175 billion to K-12 schools in the next coronavirus stimulus package. We know that the schools this year were interrupted because of the virus, and making sure that schools have proper funding to jumpstart the next year is essential. The Center on Budget and Policy Priorities is projecting a $765 billion shortfall for state budgets over 3 years. Those shortfalls will directly harm school districts and result in significant budget cuts. We should not allow our school system or our children and their education to be affected by all this. Do you agree? Let me know down in the comments, please. On another positive note, the president yet again showed his support for another stimulus package this week. During an interview with Nexstar Broadcasting, the president said that the administration is considering a dramatic Phase 4 stimulus this summer. This summer is the key phrase here, and I will let you know in just a minute. But first, here is exactly what the president said. Well, you heard it from the president. Along with help for the people, small business owners also, they are looking into something else as well. That tells me that whatever provisions they come up with, it will include a second stimulus check. You know that I have been very positive about all this for a while now. There is a video up here with why we will see a second stimulus check if you want to check that one out as well. And lastly, on a positive note, is something that happened in England. Yes, how they run things has nothing to do with the US, obviously, but the Bank of England announced another stimulus for the United Kingdom despite their economic improvements as well. If you remember, Germany did something similar not too long ago as well. I believe the US will follow and we will see another stimulus package and a second stimulus check. The question remains when, which brings me to the not so good news. The next stimulus package might include payroll tax cuts, infrastructure stimulus, Explore the America $4,000 tax credit, but according to the recent news, we're looking into the end of August. Yep, that is the bad news. If a second stimulus check package is signed into a law at the beginning of August, following the timeline of the first round of checks, we can expect initial deposits to be made on the weekend of the 22nd and the 23rd of August, with a majority of the direct bank payments issued by the end of September. That is according to AS.com. We know that the Senate will be back from their break on July 21st. They will most likely work on extending the provisions from the CARES Act first that are set to expire at the end of July. Once those are sorted out, it will be time to negotiate the next stimulus bill. It seems like the timeline is getting extended further and further, but that doesn't mean that we will not see another stimulus package and a stimulus check second round. Good things happen slowly, right? So there you have it, folks. The sentiment is staying very positive, and we'll just have to wait a little bit longer. I hope you're having a great week. As you know, I have given you all the updates as soon as physically possible, with working around the clock for you. And as soon as we know more, you will see it right here on the Finance Kit channel. I want to say thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, make sure to subscribe, because I will continue to bring you daily updates as they happen. I hope this video was informative and provided some value to you. Like and share as well so more people can see it. Down in the description, you will find other helpful links as well. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset towards a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.